Hello guys, what's up? And today we're gonna be looking at my rock jam keyboard. Yeah, and I'll be doing a vlog with my girlfriend tomorrow using the all new famous intro on this video. And I'm gonna show you the keyboard. So basically the power on button's here. And well, you've got your main thing, you've got your volume, you've got your tone is 0 because it's like piano. Lip tone, you can choose different ones. My favourite is 160, I'll show you why. No, 130 is it? What was it? Yeah, it's 160, 160. I'm making music on this. I could play the old Samsung ringtone. On. No. That's how you do it. You can also select dual keyboard, and if I demonstrate you to it, it will say number 10 there. Move this stupid rubbish out of the way. Sorry. And get out of there. And get out. On the left side, it's Marbia, I think. Oh no, it's music box. It's over here. On the right, it's piano. And on the left, it's a tone of your choice. See, I could change it to one of my own favourites. Blown bottle. 75. I'll show you. It's there for the camera focuses. Blown bottle. That's the one we're using. Just a couple notes I was showing off. You got sustain, which when you click on the key, it like leaves it for a minute, like a normal piano would. Like if you put the case down really high, it would go meow, and you would just stay there for about 5 seconds to go. That's what sustained or like. There's vibro. Sounds like this. It's epic. See what it sounds like. You can if I go to 11. I've got vibraphone with vibraphone on. You've also got orchestra hit, which is the same as 160. 51. I have to try that out. So put on 11 with vibraphone on. If I change a tempo, hold on, if I play, turn that down a bit, it's a bit loud. It's really funny. Look, holding it down, look. And it goes up to about 240, I think, or 210. No, it's 240, isn't it? Yeah, 240.